friends, in my last video, I explained that if you do not win the DV Lottery 2021 to be released on 6th June 2020 at 12 noon EDT time, that there are so many ways to get a golden opportunity to have a luxurious life. I know those who applied for the DV Lottery was counting the days. There are only 7 days more to get the results and to check whether you have won or not. We all are excited. Not to worry, for those who do not get an opportunity, you will get a chance again by applying for the DV Lottery Program 2022, which will be open for entry from October to November 2020. In this video, I thought, suppose if your results are positive in the coming DV lottery, when you check DV entrance status check link online on 6th June 2020, some might be worried about recent announcements of President Trump on the ban on immigrant visas. I will explain it briefly in this video. It is really a worrying news. Those who are interested in the DV lottery program and awaiting for the results must be watching videos, reading news about the DV lottery program, and must be knowing that the president has announced a 60-day ban on immigrants seeking to live and work in America. The ban is only for DV lottery program, which is an immigrant visa. The new policy would close the doors to thousands of immigrants hoping to enter the United States during the ban period. This decision has been taken by the president as an effort to protect American workers from foreign competition. That means to protect work opportunities for the millions of Americans who have lost their jobs in the coronavirus pandemic. President Trump must be thinking that it would be wrong for Americans laid off by the virus to be replaced with new immigrant labor flown in from overseas. President Trump has further said he could further extend the 60 days temporary suspension of immigrant ban seeking to live and work in America depending on the economic fallout from the coronavirus pandemic. This is the reason why President has decided to temporarily ban for 60 days. Imagine when these 50,000 green card holders selected are also entering into America. The USA government will have to offer 50,000 jobs to the new entrants in the USA, by which the Americans who are already staying there will not be able to get a chance because of job competition. In order to avoid this, President Trump, in my opinion, will further extend the ban for immigrant visas for another 60 days until economy is back to normal. The American job market will not be back to normal in 60 days. That is also will be a reason for President Trump to extend the 60 days extension of this ban. This suspension will affect the green card lottery winners, but will not affect the non-immigrant visas such as student visas, tourist visas, as these visas will not be affected the jobs in the USA. As a winner in the DV lottery program 2021, that means if you have applied in October to November 2019, there is no need to worry, as these winners will not be affected by the ban on immigrations according to the DV lottery procedures which took place during the past years. There is long time for you to go to America after finishing your process. This will affect only those who applied for the DV lottery 2020 in October to November 2018 and who have received the results in May 2019 and after the interview waiting for entry into USA. In brief, if I tell, as you know, those who were selected in May 2019 can enter into USA from September 2019 to September 2020. Some might have already entered into USA and some must be awaiting to enter into USA before September 2020. Those who have been selected for DV Lottery 2020 and still not have entered USA will be worried because of the ban. All are because of the coronavirus pandemic situation and the consequences therein. Imagine the excitement they must be having to enter into USA and this ban destroying their dreams and postponing their dreams. How hard is this? It's really hard for the winners of DV Lottery 2020. But the winners at the DV Lottery Draw 2021, which will be released on 6 June 2020, no need to worry. After following the normal procedure, you have to enter USA between September 2020 to September 2021. So there is enough time, so no worries. Wait for your turn. And in the meantime, you have to face an interview, fill the necessary forms, get the necessary documents ready. You have lot of work to do. So first wait for the results and then wait for the next procedure. Good luck guys. As usual, put a like and subscribe my channel to watch more information on DV Lottery program. Thank you very much for watching my channel.